Welcome back to B for Crypto. In this video we're going to look at Filecoin because the potential within the next bull run is just absolutely crazy. We could make it easy 30x, yes 3000% towards the upside. And why? Filecoin is a decentralized coin that focuses on data storage, but if we look at the narrative of AI, we could expect that yes, we need a lot of data that is stored decentralized and on the blockchain. And in this video we're going to look at the charts, but we're also going to find out what is Filecoin. So if you want to become the next crypto millionaire with Filecoin, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And guess we're going to first of all find out what is Filecoin. In the digital age, data has emerged as a cornerstone of the modern economy, driving innovation, decision making and personalized experience. It is the lifeblood of businesses, government and individuals, fueling advancement in technology, science and social dynamics. The exponential growth in data generation and consumption underscore its critical role in shaping our world. But these masses of data present a significant challenge in terms of storage and security and accessibility. But Filecoin fixes this problem. So let's find out more about Filecoin. Centralized cloud services are spread thinly around the globe. This leaves billions of users far away from their data and allows cloud companies to dedicate prices to restrictions and who can use their services. Instead of a few big players dominating our digital future, we need to open the market. Filecoin connects the world with a new storage and economic model. No matter the level of existing connectivity. The Filecoin network puts content and data on every corner. Creating hyperlocal and efficient storage. Now you can finally break free from big centralized storage in limited location. A client wants to store data on the Filecoin network. The client views available storage providers and their market prices. Storage providers compete to win the storage contracts. Clients select winning storage providers. The deal is made and the client sends the data and the provider stores it. To earn Filecoin, storage providers must prove they are storing the data properly. The network verifies data is stored securely through cryptographic proofs. Storage providers submit their storage proofs in the blocks on the network. And validate new blocks sent from the network. Only blocks that are correct are accepted. Storage provider earn the deal storage fee over time and have a chance to win block rewards. The client wants a file and looks up a storage provider who may have it. The client selects the fastest or most affordable storage provider. Then the client pays the storage provider and retrieves the file. As more people request the file and it becomes more popular, other storage provider can pick it up and repost it. This brings the file closer to the users requesting it. The data is spread to where demand is growing. Access is optimized as the data flows worldwide. From small storage systems to advanced data centers, everyone benefits by working together and providing a robust new foundation for humanity's information. So now you know exactly what Filecoin is, and I just see a major potential within the next bull run because yes, data is power and data is also very valuable for a lot of companies, and that's why it's very important that a lot of companies and also individuals store their data on a decentralized blockchain. And I just believe we're going to see a major incorporation with a lot of AI companies that are using Filecoin through its decentralized nature, because Filecoin has been around for quite a while, and we can also see that they launched a decentralized cloud. So yes guys, go over to filecoin.io to find out more about Filecoin, but let's go over to the charts. Because yes, at the moment Filecoin is trading at $5 and we saw that we had an all-time high in the previous bull run of $200. Yes, on CoinMarketCap it's round about $193, but if we go over to the charts, then we can see that the previous all-time high in the year 2021 was exactly the $233 level, and then we saw this dump and this prolonged bear market, and we came all the way back down to the lowest point in the bear market bottom of round about $2.40. And at the moment we are trading at $5. Yes, we saw this massive pump towards the upside. So the big question is going to be, should you buy exactly here after we saw this pump towards the upside, or should you wait for any retracement? We're going to get to that. But first of all, let's go back to CoinMarketCap. And yes, Filecoin was launched in the year 2018, and then we saw this massive pump towards the upside, reaching its all-time high. But what is going to be really important is the incorporation with a lot of companies, and a coin being in the market since 2018 makes them a quite robust and well-established project, and that is going to be really important for all the users using Filecoin, because one of the most important aspects are trust, and they have been in the market for quite a while. So let's go over to the charts. And once again, we're going to look at the weekly chart, because we saw that we had this dump all the way to the bottom. Now we found support exactly here, and then we saw this pump, this consolidation, and the dump even lower, forming the bear market bottom. And then we saw this pump once again over this very important line, and we can see that this held as support. And then we saw once again that Filecoin has formed a lower high, and exactly in these regions we turned around and we saw this pump once again over this massive support, which gives me the indication that yes, we have found the bottom exactly in these regions, and at the $5 level is going to hold as support. So first of all, yes, buying in these areas would be a great opportunity to see a massive pump towards the upside. And we're going to look at the price targets, because if we're going to take a measured move from the price movement all the way to the previous high, we could see a pump of yes, $4,500. I know that the title says up to 3,000%, but I was a little conservative and I marked it exactly here at the $3,000 level, which was the candle close of the previous high. And yes, this is just towards the previous all-time high. We could expect a further move towards the upside, because yes, clearly data, AI and crypto gaming are going to be a major narrative, and I believe that Filecoin is going to play a major role. Because if we're going to look at some latest news, Sushi launches Filecoin, decentralized exchange and storage. And for those of you who don't know what Sushi is, it is SushiSwap, a major exchange where you can swap Ethereum based or any kind of cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. So yes, it is a decentralized exchange. But if we go over to the next news, New Filecoin desktop app allows its users to earn Filecoin with idle computer resources. So this is also going to be a major step because you're getting an incentive to store your data on the network. So let's go on the daily chart before we're going to end this video. And yes guys, we see that the price movement of Filecoin came all the way back above this major range, this major support range, and I think that this support is going to hold very strong, and this is going to be our bear market bottom, and we're just going to see a continuation all the way up to the previous high of making at least 3000% towards the upside. But we're going to look at the price targets that we could reach in the immediate short term, because if we're going to zoom out on the daily chart, guys, you can see we had this previous high, and we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the previous high all the way to the low. And then we can see, guys, our next price target is going to be the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is round about the $20 level. And this is also exactly this major resistance box that I've been drawing for quite a while. And why? Because this is our bull market support that we saw in the previous bull market. This acted as support, and once we broke this support towards the downside, we saw this prolonged bear market. So yes, this is going to be our first price target after this massive pump, and after we have re-established the support box round about the $5 level, exactly in these regions. So yes, if you're going to buy Filecoin exactly here and you're going to hold it at least to the next major level, we could see a pump from the $5 level all the way to the 1.618 of 300% towards the upside. So yes guys, dollar cost average into Filecoin, because this really has some major potential. And if you want to buy all of these cryptocurrencies, guys, go down in the video description below where you find all my partner links from Bybit, OKX, FedEx, and also MEXC. And guys, yes, I've added Bitflex because Bitflex is a decentralized exchange where you don't need any KYC. And if you're going to deposit $100, you're going to get $10 free. So use this opportunity to get free money. And guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.